So I have big city dreams of decluttering some of my weekly sticker kits. This is my whole collection I have at home. Obviously I can go into work anytime and get any of the sticker kits that I want, but I like to have a stash at home. It is a hoard. Some of these kits are not available anymore, and I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and see exactly what we have.
I cannot stand the way you look at me. You got me reaching for something more.
To be honest with you, I feel like it looks worse now that it's laid out, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a keep and a de-stash pile and then see where it is. I just have over here the tabs that I was using, which I will reuse those, and then I have some of my full box underlays that I use a lot, so I have some extra of. But yeah, one is going to be, this will be keep because there's the stickers in the front, and this is going to be de-stash. So let's go ahead and do it.
Forgive me, I can hardly breathe. And now you got me painting roses on the bedroom floor. And Mr. Hazel Eyes, Mr. Golden Skies, you don't see what you're doing to me. And Mr. We're just friends, you know in the end it won't be pretty. It isn't fair the way you say my name, like a song I've never heard before. And you say that loving is impossible. You say that loving is impossible, but it's a feeling I can't ignore. Oh, and Mr. Hazel Eyes, Mr. Golden Skies, you don't see what you're doing to me. And Mr. We're just friends, you know in the end it won't be pretty. You got me painting roses. Oh, you got me painting roses. You got me painting roses on the bedroom. Oh, I can't resist. I can't resist the one I adore. And oh, now I'm painting all these roses on the bedroom floor. On the bedroom floor. Don't wanna feel the way you make me feel. A peculiar shade of blue. And now you got me feeling all the shades of indigo. Feeling all the shades, because I can't have you.
I honestly feel like this was pretty successful. This is my keep pile, and then this is my de-stash pile, and I feel like it's almost half, which is impressive. So this is going to be going to the de-stash, and then we're going to go ahead and take these and organize them. So I do, like I said, have these tabs. So I just went ahead and cut these on photo paper, and then each of them have a little sticker. These are from my shop. They're like the mini months in Lavender Hollow, and then if it's like a longer month like January, I just cut down to Jan. And I'm going to go ahead and sort them through in 2 months I think that they would be best in, and if they are something like that's more of an experience that I would have like Easter. Well, I guess that goes in a specific spot. But if it's something more like Disney, like I don't want to put it into a month, I will put it in the front, I think. I think that'll be the best way to do it. So let's go ahead and do that.
Feel the way you make me feel. A
guys my updated kit collection. So everything in the front doesn't have a time. A lot of it's birthday or Disney, and then there's a couple of other kits that I'm like, I know like a time I want to use them, but I don't know exactly when. And then I just have all of the kits in here in months that I think that they would go great with. And if they're a kit that I feel like would go good with a season, I kind of started it in that section. Or if it's like Easter could be like in March or April, so I just put it in March. And then when I'm going through my kits for March, if I think, oh, well, Easter is actually in April this year, I move it to April. Or if there's kits that I think from March that would be good in April, after I go through March, I just flip them into the next month. But I want to be able to kind of like see at a glance what I have for those months. I also have two other things over here that I was like, okay, I want to make sure that I take care of this. This is kind of like a side note, but I do have the extras for the May mystery from last year, which I don't really know why I have these because I'm going to be reformatting it, but I wanted to reuse this kit eventually. And then also I have a bunch of Pride boxes from last year. These are the ones I didn't use in last year's spread, so I wanted to make sure that whenever I use the kit, I think I might use it again this year or maybe next year, depending. I think there's Pride art possibly coming out this year, or well, I don't know, but I'll save these boxes so that whenever I use it again, I can make sure to prioritize the boxes that I didn't use last time, even though obviously I'll have these. Like, well, actually, I don't think the add-ons will be available, but yeah, I'll just pull the boxes from here just so that the spreads look a little bit different. So I wanted to make sure I kept those on the side to deal with those. But I am overall very satisfied with my new kit collection. I was thinking about putting it in a binder, but this I think is the easiest way currently, but maybe I will eat my words and I will change my mind. But yeah, so that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. I'll talk to you later. Bye!